customer feedback, first and foremost, growers have been really asking for earlier finishing strains that are growing outdoors commercially. So what we've done is we've developed semi-full term genetics, which are crosses between photoperiod and autoflower. They are photoperiod dependent, and they're photoperiod strains in every sense of the word that our customers are used to. You can clone them. They are photoperiod dependent. However, they will finish 2 to 3 weeks earlier outside than their clonal photoperiod mothers. In comparison, what that means is a September harvest. September harvests are much better than October harvests because you're usually going to beat the rains or at least get a jump on them, and you're ripening when there's still a lot more heat than a month earlier than a month later. And heat directly, the amount of heat in the environment for the plants outdoors, it directly correlates to higher potency. So the warmer it is, the hotter it is, the higher potency